Earthlings, how have you been? If you're new to my channel, my name is Mary. I'm glad to have you here. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back! If you've been following me for a while, you might have noticed that Scotland has a special place in my heart, as cheesy as that sounds. So here I am. I am currently at the beach, but I just had one of the most epic hike and wild camp up in Sylvan. So if you want to see my fun-sized but epic adventure in Assynt, from epical wild swims to sunset, sunrise and cloud inversions up in Sylvan, stay tuned in, and I might also throw in some extra toppings from other beautiful spots that we checked out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. To celebrate my birthday, I packed up my bags and headed up Scotland. I met up with Anna at Inverness station around 8 o'clock p.m. We grabbed some food to go and we headed straight to Loch. We didn't get there till well after 10, so we decided to just stealth camp behind Glencanis Bludge, where our trail up Sylvan starts. Have you ever tried stealth camping in red tents?
So this is our first night in Assynt and we've pitched our tents. Well, I tried to pitch mine, Mari then helped me. And then tomorrow we're going to try and climb up there. That is Sylvan. But for now, it's time to get pyjamas on because it's actually gone past 11 o'clock, even though it's still quite light. Because we're very far north and obviously it's June.
It's now 20 past 10. It's only 20 past 10, so we're supposed to turn right here, but we wanna chill by the loch, the big loch, hoping there'd be no midges. Maybe do a little paddle.
You're floating!
Nice. It's really nice. And 2 hours later, lunch with a view. We had a really nice lunch break at the waterfall. we're gonna start ascending towards Sylvan now. We've now just reached the lochan. I think we're gonna have a short break here before our last push or pull up to the ridge. Suitable for vegetarians and let's eat it. It's here for the eating. Then we're gonna power up on the loch. I think I'm halfway up the loch now, or maybe more than halfway. That was tough going. I expected it to be tough, but not this tough. It's so unfit. Let me show you my view. Look at that. Makes it worth the hassle, doesn't it? This is the other side. Finally. That's Anna. You've been here long? An hour? No. See if you pass that wall, if you're gonna turn into a unicorn. After a long day's hike, we finally managed to pitch our tents in between the two summits, and we decided to have a little rest, have our dinner, and then head up to the summit in time for sunset. Here I'm making Indian red lentil dal from Eat Sleep Wild, and I'm gonna have it with sourdough bread and some salad.
Slightly random tea, got some grains, lentils, but wow, what a view.
Oh,
Birthday cake!
birthday cake.
Maligayan Caravan.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
This will be the best birthday cake ever.
Hopefully. Be careful.
We've had our dinner, we've had our pudding, so we headed up the summit to watch the sunset. But of course, not without stopping for photo ops.
Wow. Oh my god, be careful, come back now.
Originating from the Norse word for pillar, Sylvan may only be 731 meters high, but because the hike almost starts at sea level, this makes it a fairly long hike on undulating terrain. It involves minor scrambling. However, the final rocky slope to reach the true summit is quite exposed, requiring some care, but you'll be rewarded with remarkable views of Assynt's scattered hills and lochans. One last look before we head choose to camp up here, I hope you get treated to a stunning sunset and a beautiful sunrise, just like we did. But most importantly, don't forget to have a break and enjoy the trail. Go for a wild swim, a waterfall dip, a paddle, or even take a nap if you must. Because more often than not, the best part is the journey to the top. All packed and ready. That's us just down at the bottom now. It's a nice beach here.
Yeah, kind of kneel so you've got support. Can you kneel? Yeah. Yeah, and then you, all your body, you have to.
It's too deep for me.
Hair is in, water. And then we've got to go 1, 2.
Time flew by, and when we realized we've spent hours and hours here lunging and dipping, we hurried back to Lochans, taking the same route we took on the way up, so we didn't really do much filming. We were getting so tired.
We went up there. It was so big.
So big. What, are you talking about me or what?
The mountain. Not you.
Approaching Glen Canisp Lodge where we camped last night. So not far now. Post hike meal. I'm having fish cake and I don't know what that is, but that looks nice.
Oh,
A veggie burger and chips.
Yes.
Yeah.
I didn't even know
I think they said all meals come with chips.
That is the best news ever.
We also had the opportunity to visit some other stunning places, and as promised, here are some extra toppings. First up, Melvik Bay. And yes, this is still the British Isles, with the turquoise water contrasting beautifully with the fine white sands. It's easy to think we were on a holiday somewhere in the tropics. Next stop is a hidden waterfall. The impressive Wailing Widow waterfall stands 15 meters high and runs out of a big loch just above it. You can see the loch from the road, but the Wailing Widow waterfall is fairly hidden. Although it's just off the main road and you can literally park by a designated car park by the road, and a 5-minute walk via a rough track along the stream will take you to it. But it's not this one. I don't recommend taking this path. There's a better one just to the left. Many thanks to Martin McHighlands for giving us a lift and giving us a free tour. For our next and last stop, the Cairngorms National Park. We went to visit the Green Loch at Glenmore Forest Park. This is Anna's first visit, and I've only been here during the winter, so I thought it'd be nice to see it in a different light.
You're gonna have to do the swing.
And there you have it, my fun-sized but epic adventure in Assynt. Again guys, I cannot thank you enough for watching my videos. I really appreciate your feedback as well. I hope you enjoyed this one, and hopefully I'll see you again on my next fun-sized adventure. Take care everyone. Mwah.